Hello students, welcome to another session of this applications of derivatives. In this session, we will be dealing with few left examples from exercise 6.1. So here is the question. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble is increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? Look what is given. The radius of an air bubble is increasing. Okay, so R is increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 centimeter per second. Okay, so therefore immediately you have to write, you are given dr by dt equals to 1 by 2 centimeter per second. Now you are asked, at what rate is the volume of the bubble? So bubble means bubble used to be in the spherical shape. Okay, so you are supposed to find dv by dt when radius is 1 centimeter. Okay, so below the air bubble is used to be in the spherical form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the volume of air bubble is given as V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, because air bubble used to be in the spherical form. So other sphere the volume ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now you are given dr by dt. Now you have to find dv by dt when r is 1 centimeter. Okay, so differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to t. So dv by dt equals to 4 by 3 pi as it is. Derivative of r cube. Derivative of r cube is, tell me, it is 3r square dr by dt. Okay, derivative of r cube 3r square dr by dt as I explained in the previous problem. Now you can cancel this 3 and you left with 4 pi r square dr by dt, and you are given dr by dt as 1 by 2 and you are asked dv by dt at 1. So put r is equal to 1, put r is equal to 1 and dr by dt is equal to half. So you will get dv by dt is equals to 4 pi r as 1 means 1 square into 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 twos are, this 2 ones are 2 twos are, you left with 2 pi, 1 square is 1. So dv by dt is 2 pi and the unit of volume is centimeter cube. So with respect to time means it is centimeter cube per second. So in this rate the volume of that air bubble is increasing. If you get positive sign it is increasing, if you get negative sign that is decreasing. Okay, so I hope you understand. Let's have another example. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 into x plus 1. So just it's given that diameter of the spherical balloon is given. Actually it is like this, 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So this is important. You are asked rate of change of volume with respect to x, means you are asked dv by dx is how much, not dv by dt. Okay, you are asked rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Okay, now as we know that volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have a diameter, so you need to find radius. Okay, so one can write directly. Idarartha, if diameter is this much, then its radius used to be 2 in the divide madi, divided by 2, you will get radius, that is 3 by 4 x plus 1. If you divide it by 2, you will get 3 by 4 x plus 1. This is your radius. Okay, very simple. Now the volume of that spherical balloon is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so this is 4 by 3 pi as it is. Your r is this much, 3 by 4 x plus 1, and cube of this, remember this, your r is this much. Okay, now just simplify further before differentiating. 4 by 3 pi and 3 cube is 27 by 4 cube is 64 into x plus 1 power 3. Okay, if you want, 4 4s are 4 4 16s are 3 1s are 3 9s are, so you will have 9 pi by 16 into x plus 1 power 3. This is your v. Okay, so now we need dv by dx. So differentiate with respect to x, because you are asked, look at the question, you are asked rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. So dv by dx is equals to 9 pi by 16. Okay, tell me the derivative of this, fx power n form. Okay, so I will tell you again, you know this, d by dx of fx power n is n into fx power n minus 1. You have to reduce power by 1. Munde idara derivative, you have to write the derivative of f, that is f dash. So likewise here, 3 into x plus 1 power 3 minus 1 is 2 into derivative of this inside function, derivative of x plus 1, derivative of x is 1, so you can write 1 plus 0. Okay, now you can write it as 9 3s are 27 pi by 16 into x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so This is your rate of change of volume with respect to x. Okay, so let's move on to next example. This is an important one from the point of examination was asked. So note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Question looks to be lengthy. See here, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Okay, so from the pipe sand is pouring, ಮರಳು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಪೈಪಿಂದ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ when the sand falls from the pipe, ಯಾವ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? in the form of cone. Okay, so the sand will be in the form of cone. ಅದೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. So the falling sand forms cone on the ground. Okay, in such a way that height of the cone is always 1/6. See here, height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. So what is happening here? Suppose height of the cone is h and base of the radius is, that is base radius of the cone is r. So it is given that height h used to be always 1/6 of the radius. It is given. Okay, now you are supposed to find how fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when height reaches 4 centimeter. So you have to find, now see here what you were asked. To find dh by dt, you were asked how fast is height of the sand cone is increasing when height is h, that is 4 centimeter. So you are supposed to find dh by dt when h is 4. Now see here also you are given that sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second, means the volume of this cone is increasing. Okay, so when the sand pours from the pipe, the volume of this sand cone is increasing. So you are given that increase in the volume of the sand cone, that is dv by dt. At what rate it is? It is 12 centimeter cube per second. So 12 centimeter cube per second. At this rate ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇದರ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, now you have to find dh by dt. Okay, so you are given increase in the volume means use the formula for volume. So volume of cone, you must know this. Volume of this sand cone, volume is given by V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. If you don't know this, you can't do this. Now see here, we want dv by dt, that is dh by dt. We want dh by dt. So you need to convert this right hand side in terms of h. ಇದನ್ನು h ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, r and h. So r ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮಾಹಿತಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. So just r is not given any value. So we are given relation between h and r. Okay, so h is 1/6 of r. So using that you have to convert. So I call it as 1. We have, but h is how much? But h is 1/6 of r is given. So what is r from this? r is 6 into h. Okay, you need to convert. ಇದನ್ನ h ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. So therefore v becomes Therefore V becomes 1 by 3 pi. Okay, ಈ r ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ you have to replace this 6h, so that is 6h whole square into h. Okay, this h as it is. Simplify it further. 1 by 3 pi into 6 square is 36 h square into h. Okay, so this is equals to 3 1s are 3 12s are, so you're left with 12 pi h square into h is h cube. Okay, now V is turned in terms of h. So now differentiate with respect to t, because we want dH by dt as well as rate of change of volume is given with respect to time. So dV by dt is equals to 12 pi constant derivative of h cube with respect to t, that is 3h square into dH by dt. Okay, now you need to substitute dV by dt. Okay, so you are given volume is increasing at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second, so substitute dV by dt as 12 equals to 12 pi into 3h square dH by dt. So we are interested in dH by dt at h is equal to 4. So dH by dt is equals to, okay, 12 divided by, you bring all this down, 12 pi into 3h square. Okay, now finally your 12 cancels, it's 1 by 3 pi h square is dH by dt. Okay, now you are asked what the rate of change of h when h reaches 4, when the height of the sand cone reaches this. Okay, so you have to find increase in the height of the sand cone when height is 4 centimeters. So put h is equal to 4. Put h is equal to 4. So whatever you will get, you write. dH by dt is equals to 1 by 3 pi into 4 square. So you'll get 4 square is 16, 16 3s are 48 pi h unit is centimeter per second. So height of the cone is increasing at this rate, 1 by 48 pi. Okay, when you practice this, you can do it very quickly. To understand better, I am writing each and every step neatly. Okay, let's have one more. Now see here, the cost Cx in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by Cx is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. Okay, so ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐಟಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪೆನ್, ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಾರ್, ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬೈಕ್. So total cost associated with the production of x units. So suppose another x number of ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ 17 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ 17 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ದ ರೇಟ್, ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ the rate of change of total cost with respect to number of outputs. So adhan madire that is nothing but marginal cost. So marginal cost you can write it as, marginal cost is nothing but it is rate of change of total cost with respect to output. So total cost is your C and output is number of items, that is X. Okay, you need to find this. So you're asked dC by dx when your 17 units are produced, means if X is equal to 17. So you have to find dC by dx if X is equal to 17. So just remember, marginal cost means what? So marginal cost is nothing but it is the rate of change of total cost with respect to output. Okay, now see here what is given. Okay, total cost is given. C of X is, let me write that, so it is 0.077 x 0.007 x cube plus, sorry, minus 0.003 0.003 x square 15x plus 4000, 15x plus 4000. This is given. Okay, now you have to differentiate with respect to x. Very simple. So dC by dx. Okay, so C is a function of x, so that is the meaning of this. So 0.007 is constant, derivative of x cube is with respect to x, that is 3x square, minus 0.003 x square derivative is 2x, 15x derivative is 15, and 4000 derivative is 0 because 4000 is constant. Okay, you can multiply this 0.021 x square, 0.006x plus 15. Now you have to put, you are asked when x is 17, if 17 items are produced, then you are asked marginal cost. So dC by dx is equals to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ 0.021 into 17 square, 0.006 into 17 plus 15. Calculate this and I suppose you will get something 20.967. Okay, so this much rupees will be the marginal cost if 17 items are produced. So very simple, understanding is important. Let's have another in the same format. this. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of a product is given by R of X is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when X is 7. Okay. So if X items are units are produced, ಅಂದರೆ X number of ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, X number of items, ಅದು ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಟಿ ವಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ X number of ಟಿ ವಿಯನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ರುಪೀಸ್ ಜನ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7. ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ this is nothing but your dr by dx you need to find. Okay, so you need to find dr by dx when x is 7. So adike you differentiate r. So your r of x is 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Differentiate with respect to x. So dr by dx is equals to x square derivative is 2x, 26 into x derivative is 1, and derivative of 15 is 0. Okay, so this is 26x plus 26. Okay, now put x is equal to 7 because you are asked the marginal revenue when 7 units are produced. Put x is equal to 7. Okay, let me check it once again. Yes. So dr by dx is equals to, substitute 26 into 7 plus 26, simplify it, you will be getting 208 rupees. So this is your marginal revenue when 7 units are produced. Okay, so we will be having one more and last of this session. This is 11th example from your exercise 6.1. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. This is a curve along which the particle moves. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So understand, the path of the particle is given. Okay, so path of the particle, moving particle, it follows the path this 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay, so it follows some path. The particle is moving along this path. Okay, given that what is given is important. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಿ, you are asked find the points on the curve. You need to find the points on this curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as y coordinate. Means relation between rate of change of x and y is given. Given that dy by dt means y coordinate is changing 8 times as that of this. You are given, this is important. Okay, so using this you have to find what are the coordinates or what are the points on the curve when this will happen. Okay, so at this point dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt at this point. So you need to find what are the coordinates of this point for given this. Okay, so now six y is equal to x cube plus 2. Differentiate with respect to t, because we need to use this. Using this you need to find coordinates. So it is differentiating with respect to t means dy by dt equals to x cube derivative with respect to t andre it is 3x square into dx by dt, and derivative of 2 is 0, constant. Okay. Now this implies, now what is given here? dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. Okay, so you can use that 8 into it is dx by dt, that's 8 times, which is equals to 3x square dx by dt. Okay, this implies 48 dx by dt equals to 3x square dx by dt. Okay, both side dx by dt, either you can divide. So this implies 48 equal to 3x square, because divide by dx by dt as it is non-zero. So this implies divide by 3, you will get x square is equal to 16. So x is equals to plus or minus 4 you will get. Square root of 16 is plus or minus 4. Now you have to find what are the values of y corresponding to x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 4. Okay, so consider when x is 4, when x is equal to 4, what is y you have to find. So what is y? You are given that 6y is equal to, you are given y as 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay, so 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So y is equal to x cube plus 2 by 6. Now substitute x as 4. So 4 cube plus 2 by 6. So 4 cube is 64 plus 2 by 6. So it is 66 by 6, and that gives you 11. Okay, so you got one set of coordinates x comma y as 4 comma 11. Similarly, take x is equal to minus 4. So when x is equal to minus 4, what is y you need to calculate? So substitute here. So y is minus 4 cube plus 2 by 6. Okay, you substitute here. So minus 4 cube is minus 64 plus 2 by 6, and calculate, this is minus 62 by 6, and do it minus 3 2s are 331s are, that is 231s are, minus 31 by 3 you will get. This is your 1. So therefore the coordinates, another set is, so x comma y is minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. Okay, so these are the 2 points at which the given rate happens. So this is all about exercise 6.1. so keep watching. If you like, don't forget to subscribe and please share with your friends. Bye.